Hey YouTube, so today we're going to be checking out this 3M quick headlight renewal kit. If you look at my headlight, see that haze on there? It's affecting how my actually headlight shines. So I figure I'll take this kit. It's pretty inexpensive, so I figured I'd take it. We'll give it a shot. We'll try that. We're going to do it on both. This one's not nearly as bad, but they both have a haze on it. That one is really yellow and hazy. So we're going to run through the steps right now. All right, step number one is just to clean the area with soapy water. So just took a little dish soap and we're going to clean this area. Clean it and dry it up. All right, the next part of that step was to take painter's tape and protect your lens. So I just taped around my lens. Now the next step is going to be, they give you a sanding disc. We're going to take the sanding disc, we're going to pour a little bit of water on it. I got my water right here. I'm going to pour a little bit of water on there, a little water on the lens, and then I'm going to start sanding. Okay, so I put some water on this, I put some water on the lens. Now I'm going to start sanding with light pressure. I'm going to do this, it says do this all around the yellow area, so we're going to keep doing this around the yellow area. I'm going to hit it with light pressure. I'll come back to you when I'm done. All right, so we sprayed that on. Now we're going to take some water and we're going to rinse it off with the water. Rinse it off a little more with the water. I think we're going to do a little bit more with the sandpaper. Okay, so now if you see, there's a little bit of a haze on there. So we kept rubbing, we dried it off, and now we have a haze, which is what it says is supposed to happen. Next thing we're supposed to do is we're going to take some polishing compound. We're going to take about a quarter-size polishing compound, put it on here. Let me see if we can do this one-handed to get us started. So we're going to put a little bit of polishing compound. And now I am going to take a cloth and we're going to rub it with the polishing compound. So we're just going to take the polishing compound, I'm going to keep going around and polish it up. All right, so I finished wiping the polishing compound off, and now it says to take off the tape, which I'm going to do right now. Hold on. All right, so let me step back so you can see. It looks much, much better. I don't know if it's gonna stay like this, but if it stays like this, it definitely did a much better job. I mean, it took off the haze. You see that in the middle? So it really did a pretty good job. So I mean, for, you know, a $6 kit, I think you should definitely give it a try. It's definitely worth a shot. I mean, it seems if this holds up, this worked pretty good. Anyway, if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.